funny?
Doggies?
Did you know how small weenie dogs are when they're born? Little puppies are? They're little. You know what I mean? They're long, but they're like this. They're like this at 10 weeks. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Well, the one we got, the rest of them are like, when they were probably like 3 weeks. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The one that we got, though, it was like... Her.
Puppers. Hey, puppers. Hi. No, that's what my mom has. Is one of those wiener dogs, the full-size ones.
Yeah.
Pretty cute. Pretty cute.
Ours was an Irish cream. So it had curly hair on. So it just kind of looked like a Cocker Spaniel, kind of. But it was totally cute. It had long floppy ears. Totally cute. We named him Dozer, like Bulldozer.
Yeah.
It was huge.
Hey, look. What are you doing, Bratty? What are you doing, Brat? Quit that, man.
This is the one that was tugging on my sweater.
Yeah?
Hey, Bratty. That was funny. Did you see that, babe?
It's like going on.
What's up? Big Daddy.
What's her?
Oh, yanking.
He's the badass, huh?
Oh, boy. Are we going to do a game?
Hey, Buster, no.
Buster.
So, but everybody has a puppy. This one's stashed out. He's hiding in my sweater.
Aw, he's all comfy. He's just gonna take a nap.
Oh, my God, puppy. I'm tired. I'm tired.